Taking care of your mouth is a big part of staying healthy overall, which is why those routine dental visits are essential. Sometimes, though, issues can't be spotted just by looking. That's where dental x-rays come in, giving important details not seen in regular exams. However, dental x-rays can get pretty pricey, especially without insurance. They can cost anywhere from $30 to $800. When it comes to insurance, some plans cover the full cost, while others might need you to cover a portion. Want to know more about dental x-ray costs and how to manage them without insurance? Our latest blog has all the insights, from cost breakdowns by type and location to payment options that help you save on expenses. Also, discover how Denefits can make dental care more affordable. Click on the link in the description below to read.